Legato is one of the most important techniques for guitar players. It offers you many different possibilities for solos and riffs. You can use it on both electric and acoustic guitars. But to get good at it, you need to learn it right. That's where I come in, to help you improve without making mistakes in your practice. I'm Rod Rodriguez, and if you are not already a subscriber, please consider supporting the channel by subscribing and activating the bell to receive all the new videos notifications. Legato is a technique where you tap your fingers on the guitar's frets and pull the strings. To use the legato well, you should know about two techniques: the hammer-ons and pull-offs. A hammer-on is when you tap your finger on the string, usually starting from low to high notes. You can even use a pick to make the first note sound stronger if you like. A pull-off is when you do the opposite. You play the notes from high to low and pull your finger away to make the next one sound. We usually pull the strings downward, which makes it stronger. When you are doing a pull-off, make sure not to accidentally touch the string below. If that happens, use your picking hand or one of the fingers to stop the sound like this. The legato is when you use both hammer-ons and pull-offs in a combination. You should also be able to read these techniques on the tabs. They're shown with a curved line above the note marked with H for hammer-ons and P for pull-offs, just like in the picture. Now that you understand how to do it, I'll share some useful exercise to practice this technique. Let's begin with exercise using only two fingers. In the first exercise, I'm using the fingers 1 and 2 to play from the top to bottom with hammer-ons and then all the way back with pull-offs. Now let's do the same thing with the fingers 1 and 3. You can do the same exercise with all the different pairs of fingers: 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, and 3 and 4. Once you've practiced those exercises, you can use a legato on the pentatonic scale. If you're not familiar with the pentatonic scale shapes, watch this video first. Now let's play it from the top to bottom using hammer-ons, and then from the bottom to top using pull-offs. Now let's do the opposite, from the top to bottom with pull-offs, and the opposite way with hammer-ons. Once you've got the hang on this technique and the pentatonic shapes, we'll create a pattern using only hammer-ons and pull-offs on two strings. Then let's step up a level. Use all the fingers for this one. Begin with the well-known 1, 2, 3, 4 exercise, playing it with hammer-ons and pull-offs. We can also do the opposite way, like we did before, playing it with pull-offs from the top to bottom, and with hammer-ons from the bottom to top. It's important to practice this with string skipping. It can be challenging because you might accidentally touch the strings in between. Let's try the 1, 2, 3, 4 exercise with string skipping. The next step, we use this technique with different scales. We explore the modes of the major scale in this exercise. I'm playing the Ionian mode in the key of A using legatos, starting from the top and then reversing with pull-offs from the bottom. We also can do the same string skipping exercise with the mode. Now in the last level, we'll deal with one of the trickiest things about this technique: how long you can keep going. Endurance is tough because legatos can make your hands hurt after some time. To keep your hands comfortable, let's practice the right way. Here's a simple exercise using only 2 fingers. You can repeat it on all the other strings. Do it 8 times with 1 and 2, and then 8 times with 1 and 3, and so on. And without stopping. You can take a short break for a second or maybe 2 when moving down to the next string. I believe I titled this video 3 levels, but anyway, it seems we've reached the 4th level now. Now in the next one, we are using 3 fingers. It's similar to the previous one that we played with different fingers combinations, beginning with 1, 2, and 3, playing 8 times on each string. You also should try the other finger combinations, 1, 2, and 4, 1, 3, and 4, and 2, 3, and 4. Whoa, that was a lot of stuff. I'm sorry for the long lesson, but I get really excited about this and I can't stop. By now, I'm sure you don't want to miss any new videos. So all you need to do is subscribe to the channel. And remember to turn on the notifications. I hope you liked this video. If you want to learn more about me or have private lessons with me, you can contact me through my website at www.rodrodriguez.net. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.